Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at 360 Degree Pizzeria. I've got my cousin Sujit there with me. Hey, dude. And for starters, we're going with Parmesan Chicken Wings. Although it didn't say it's actually spicy, I do see a little bit of chili flakes in it. So, and what is this?
Smell is good.
Mozzarella cheese.
It smells good.
Smells actually quite good. So, when you try, so I'm gonna try this one over here. Pretty good. What do you think?
Those chicken wings I've had.
Yeah.
Because
High praise.
the chicken wings that I've had are all part of Chinese cuisine
Yeah.
with a lot of sauce.
Or maybe something from like McDonald's or. Have you had the McDonald's? No. I think I've had. I don't think I've actually had chicken wings in a very. Yeah, sure. Let's move your plate. No, just take it. Thank you. I think I've only had it probably from KFC maybe and nothing else. So anyway, gonna give it a try. Pretty good. Wow. That is awesome. I think it's probably one of the best starters I've ever had in my life. What do you think? What did you give it a rating as?
9.5 out of 10. I just don't want to give the full.
Yep.
Yeah.
We deserve dishes like pork on that. Anyway, so I think I'm in full agreement. It's slightly crispy. You've got the cheesy flavor as well. And the chicken is pretty juicy. So I think being fair.
Barbecue taste.
Yeah, slight barbecue taste. But I think it's more deep fried or baked even perhaps. It's not oily at all. So I think I'm going to have to give that a 9.5 out of 10 as well. If not a 10. So thank you. Bye.